This is the main power switch, emergency stop. After this is pressed, it rotates to restore. And then there's the power indicator. This is the speed switch of the vibrating knife. This is tensioning valve. This is selector switch of horizontal knife and vertical knife. Then the main switch has a function. There's a hole in the main switch. Then if this machine is being repaired, such as although he can open, but he has some glitches now, there's something wrong, can't open, you can put a lock on it. Then avoid saying I'm operating the machine, it has a problem or something is wrong, it won't start, the other operators don't know. Then he started the machine. Then when this is pressed, it can't be opened. I can have a lock on it. It can only be opened after it is released. Okay, so let's start it. Power on. Wait for the computer to boot. Okay, boot complete. Double-click to start the software now. After the software starts, the first step is to click Online here. Click this Online. This online means computers and machines are interconnected. After clicking Online, we choose one of the knives. There are horizontal and vertical knives here. Select Reset Rotary Knife Angle later. Then you can move at this time. The following demonstration starts the knife belt. First, make sure the speed of the vibrating knife is slow. Simultaneously, the vertical knife is the same as the button click operation on the screen. Tensioning valve remains open. Hold the blade on the screen. Release before it turns red. The vibrator is already activated. After starting slowly, wait until his speed stabilizes. We can switch to medium speed. Judging by the sound, when it settles down, then switch to the fast switch. After entering the fast state, we can move knives or worktops. Then the following demonstration uses the remote control to move. In the state of vertical knife, the up and down buttons are the movement of the knife. The left and right buttons are the movement of the workshop row. When I press right button, his knife cuts point and moves to the right. Demonstrate below. Open file. This is what comes with our software. pillow shape for testing. Of course, we can also draw one ourselves. Draw a CAD drawing. After the CAD drawing is completed, send to the software. Press the material tightly. Adjust the position of the feet. After adjusting the position, press and hold process. Release when the light is on, then start cutting the materials. The graphics that we have drawn is finished cutting.